Hello everybody, this is Crystal Locks, well Crystal Bell at Crystal Locks again, and I'm doing the singlest twist with coily ends 14-inch crochet pre-looped hair. I did the braiding style in a 360, which you have seen me do before, where I braid all the ends going up and the front going back, and they meet in the mid end of the hair almost. Right here I'm putting my Crystal Locks hair grow on her hair. She has psoriasis, so I make sure that I lubricate her hair very well. I also sprayed some of my Crystal Grow end protector on it. That was at the beginning. By this time of me actually showing her head, I've already washed and conditioned it in the shampoo bowl. That's the extra heat protectant that I put on hair as well. Even though my hair serum that I sprayed on her, that I make personally, has that, it's also best to just have extra protection. Please forgive my nails being blue. I was dyeing my hair earlier today. That video is going to be up too, so look for that. I'm just doing a light blow out. I'm not doing a blow out. I'm just blow drying her hair. So that straightens it a little, so you can see her true length, but not a lot of heat will be put on her hair. Her hair is on medium heat, and of course this is sped up, so I'm not like punching her in the head with this pedal brush. If I wouldn't have sped it up, it would have been like a 40-minute video. So it's just me blow drying it, and I'm gonna switch over to the other side. More heat protectant. Now make sure I comb it through the hair. You can actually see the purple and the blue in my hair on this. I haven't styled it or nothing. But let's focus on this 360. Now if I get done doing that, I'm putting got to be glued on her edge, her front, and her back. All around her edge. 360 edges. So by the time I get to most of them, it'll be dry, and that'll help the edge be a little bit more stiff to the grip a little bit better and stay in the hair for a longer hold. I'm gonna put probably about 3 or 4 small braids on each side and about 5 small braids in the nape of her neck going upward, and then I'll link all that stuff together so it won't come out, and I'm going to crochet it within itself, then start the looping process. Oh, I'm tired. I just got done doing the hair, and her and her daughter. That video should be before this one. I have a lot of parents that come with their children. Just knock out 2 birds, 1 stone. I smooth the edges in, so once I grip it, it'll be like up in there. Turn the camera off and turn it back on to show that I started the zigzag method Now with her daughter, I did not do this exact method because of the fact of her daughter hair is thicker. Her hair is a little bit more thinner compared to her daughter, even though she has, thick hair. It's a little bit more thinner at the root than her daughter's. So the zigzag method helps kind of hide that, because you have to put crochets at the tip of the zig. I guess that's what that is. The tip of the zig. I don't know. But you can see me looping everything together. And that's the finished braid method, the 360 and zigzag. This is the hair that we'll be using. It's in 1B. And it is just like I said at the beginning of the video, singlest twist, coil ends 14-inch, pre-looped 3X pack. Normally they say the 3X pack you only need about 2, but in her head she needed full coverage and wanted full coverage, so we use 2.5, almost 3. No, I think we use 3 bags. Yeah. And that's the thing about the 360 as well. You have to use a little bit more hair than you would, because you have to make sure that the small braids are covered and secure. If y'all want me to make a video of like nothing but the braid pattern and how I do that, then let me know, and I'll make sure I do that next time I do a 360. 360 is highly requested because you can put your hair to the side, to either side, or you can put your hair up and it'll have like that seamless singles look. So fast forward to almost done putting them in. It's the last few that I had to put in. Just like I said, I'm sorry I be recording kind of quickly because I be worried more about doing my client's hair accurately than trying to stop, move, and make sure y'all can see. But if you want me to go in depth, let me know and I will. And it only took like an hour and a half to do this particular braid style. I put the last one in there so it won't be by itself. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure you stay happy, stay in love, and remember to make memories. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment about what y'all want me to do now. I'll try my best. Thank you so much. Bye.